quick video on Talaria Sting turn signals. Mine didn't come with turn signals and didn't come with a turn signal relay. But down here, take the cover off, you'll see there's a plug that's blocked off. So the green wire is ground, gray is outgoing power, and then black is hot. I just used some waterproof connectors, cheap relay off Amazon, which I might switch out. These taillights were from the previous owner. Let's see. And there you go. I'm pretty sure this plug right here, I think this one is capped off. I think that's for the front turn signals. So once those come in, I might just jump off those wires, or I'll jump off the wires back here for the back tail light to add the front turn signals. This is just the headlights I was working on. New headlights. Low beam is running light, and then high beam is just lights on. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.